Here you can see our low voltage battery management system, so the battery management system of our 48 volt system. Today I show you our PCBs from KA-RaceIng's. Here you can see our low voltage BMS, which is the battery management system of our low voltage battery, which has around 48 volts. It's fully self-developed, and we use a lot of parts from MCC there. KA-RaceIng's is the former student team of the KIT, the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. The Formula Student is the biggest engineering competition worldwide right now, and we build like small F1-like electric cars right now. We build it all by ourselves in around 1 year of developing, manufacturing, testing, and then going to events. That's one of the year we do. This year at the events we were quite successful, getting 2 times the second place, 1 times third place. We're quite proud of our car we built last year and try to improve it next year, of course.